Hello, I've got here a Hobby on Tour, Optima on Tour Edition F V65GE motorhome to show you. It seems to be quite long, although it's only 678 centimeters in length. It comes with a very large entrance area, which is something that really does stand out. At the back we find it's got a German layout. We've got windows at either side, and of course, as you'd expect, there is storage all the way around. This bit here will come out, slides out. There you go. There's a ladder here which will go onto the front here, and when this is all the way out, then you put this thing there, this part mattress there goes in here to make an enormous bed. I'm not going to do that right now because I want to show you that you've got a wardrobe down here. There you go, and a light that comes on immediately, and over here you have got some additional storage, also storage in the steps. Makes sense to use all the storage possibilities you can, although that one you can only put light things in there because that's part of the heating duct. At the back you'll notice we've also got a light switch. It could do with a USB, and it has one. There it is, so you can charge your phones up at night if you so want to. Right, looking down the front here, you can close the bedroom off with a curtain. Over here you have got a fridge, and above it there's some storage. And in here you've got a sink, a kitchen. What do you call it? Not a kitchen. It's called a shower. You've got a shower with two drainage points. That's good. Come inside. Stacks and stacks of space in here. It's got a sliding door. Let's see how well the sliding door works. Doesn't work at all. What's on? Ooh, it's a bit stiff. Right, it's a bit stiff. So if you bought it, I won't force it, but just to make the point, the sliding door actually comes to about here, something like that. That's as far as I've actually got it in the past. You also have to move the toilet as well around to get allow the sliding door to pass. And the point of the sliding door is not to stop the water going out, it's to stop it going on the toilet. Anyway, good. Right, so over here we've got a kitchen. Look at that down there. Between these drawers, got this completely wasted space. Don't know what the idea of that is at all. That is totally absurd. Constant space being wasted like that. It does have a tiny ledge on it, but you can't put anything in there. Anyway, on the sides here, it has the drawers. Big drawer here. Here we've got 3 burners, and here we've got a sink. More wasted space up there. Hobby has this interesting kitchen unit, sliding thing, space in there and space in there. Did I show you the fridge? Can't remember. Yeah, I'll have another look at the fridge. If you haven't already seen one of these tower fridges from Dometic, which opens both ways, now you've seen it again. Right, okay. There is a very big table. You always get a big table with Hobby storage up there, and that I suppose you could keep some coins and keys and other small things. Your pet caterpillar can go above the driver and passenger area up here. Useful feature, there's a place to hang your coats up on. There isn't a flat floor in this vehicle though, and if it had been, it would have cost 100,000 at least. There's an extension here. It's an enormous extension. That's really very, very good. An extension of that size. Television goes up there. We'll have a look in the rear, and that's your spare bed. And as always, I say it's completely it's ridiculous to get something that size when you get a pneumatic mattress, a blow up one. Mine actually blew it up in August It's now January and it's only now needs blowing up again. I'll give you a link to where I got mine from down here. It was about €8, €10, can't quite remember the price now, but anyway, it wasn't much. That thing there will cost at least $1,000. Right, door's got a window in it, and it's got a bin as well. So there you go, there's the Hobby Optima On-Tour Edition F V65GE, 678 centimeters long. Looks much longer, but I think that's because of its shape. Thanks for watching.